Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to submit your tax return online in the UK. First, ensure you are registered for HMRC online services. This is your gateway to digital tax. Next, collect all your financial records, such as P60s, P45s, and receipts for expenses. Knowing your income and outgoings is crucial for an accurate submission. Finally, be aware of the filing deadlines to prevent any late submission fines. Once you're ready, log into your government gateway account using your user ID and password. It's important to select the correct tax year for which you are filing your self-assessment. Carefully enter all your income details, whether from employment, self-employment, or other sources like property rentals. Double-check every entry to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Now, it's time to claim any eligible expenses that can reduce your taxable income. This might include business costs, professional subscriptions, or charitable donations. After entering all your income and expenses, thoroughly review every section of your return. Check for any errors or omissions. The system will then calculate your final tax liability or show if you are due a refund. With everything checked and confirmed, you can now electronically submit your tax return to HMRC. Remember to pay any tax due by the specified deadline to avoid interest and penalties. If you're looking for a great way to relax after tax season, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other deals in the description below. Keep a copy of your submitted return for your records.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.